Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meeting you too.
How are you?
I am fine, thanks. And you?
Alhamdulillah. I also fine and safe and sound by the grace of Almighty Power. I hope you are doing great by the grace of Almighty Power. Okay, today we want to learn some essential words that will help you to learn a language. Okay, are you ready to answer this?
Yes,
Words?
I am ready.
Okay, this is the first words for you. Okay, answer.
Uttar.
Ask.
জিজ্ঞেস করা,
Class.
শ্রেণী,
Complete.
শেষ করা,
Finally.
শেষে,
Family.
পরিবার,
Information.
তথ্য,
Live.
বাস করা,
Old.
বয়স,
Primary.
প্রাথমিক,
Question.
উত্তর,
Question.
প্রশ্ন,
Table. Table.
টেবিল,
Year.
কান,
Year. বছর.
বছর, বছর।
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
You are most welcome.
You are most welcome.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
See you again.
See you again.
Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.